Akwaba. My name is Yassin, and you are welcome to my show, The Yassin Show. In today's episode, we are going to make Yassin's chicken pepper soup. If this is your first time, hit the subscribe button so that anytime a new video is put on, you will be alerted. If this is not your first time, then I'd like to say Akwaba. Here we go. Into Ebusia, these are the ingredients for making chicken pepper soup. All right, here we go. You can use any chicken of your choice, but in this particular video, we use the layer chicken that is available in the local market here in Accra. The type of chicken that you use will determine the time that it takes to make the chicken get cooked. For example, if you use the layer chicken, it takes a much longer time than if you use the broiler chicken. Broiler chickens are much softer than the layer chicken. You also need to have a kettle of hot water on standby whenever you're making chicken soup, so that if the soup is not ready, or especially if the chicken is not cooked, you can add a cup of hot water at a time, or you can add 2 cups of hot water depending on the amount of chicken you're cooking. This is how your soup should look like when it's done. Bam! Aduane bɛɛdɛ wahwɛ nkwan bi ɛne fufu bɛkɔ paa nti fufu ɛnyɛ ready a ɛna mpakyɛw monkɔyɛ mu fufu ready so itumi di nti sɛ sɛ de yɛkyɛ wɔ ha ya. And that's the end of the Yassin show for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.